In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to layer images in Canva. If you've ever tried to build a photo collage, a flyer, or any design with overlapping elements, you already know how easy it is for things to end up in the wrong order. One image covers another, a background jumps in front, and suddenly the whole layout feels harder than it should. The good news is that Canva makes this much easier once you know where to look. And in this guide, I'll walk you through the process clearly from start to finish. First, open Canva and go to the project you want to edit. From your homepage, find the design you want to work on and open it so it appears in the main editor. Once your design is on screen, click on the image or graphic you want to rearrange. When it's selected, you'll see a highlighted border around it, which confirms that Canva is ready to edit that specific element. Next, move your attention to the toolbar at the top of the editor. With your image selected, click on Position. This is the control area Canva uses for placement and layering options. As soon as you click it, a panel will open on the side, giving you more control over how that object sits on the page. At the top of that side panel, look for the tabs labeled Arrange and Layers. Click on Layers. This opens a full view of everything currently on your canvas, including images, text boxes, shapes, and other design elements. This panel is especially helpful because it shows the stacking order of your design in a visual way, making it much easier to understand what is in front and what is behind. Now you can change the layer order directly. In the Layers panel, items near the top of the list appear at the front of your design, and items lower in the list sit farther back. Click and hold the thumbnail of the image you want to move, then drag it upward or downward in the list. As you do this, Canva updates the design in real time so you can immediately see the result. This is the easiest way to place one image in front of another without accidentally shifting your layout. Before you finish, take a moment to check your design on the canvas. Move elements slightly if needed, and use Canva's alignment guides to make sure everything looks clean and balanced. When you're happy with the result, go to the top right, click Share, then choose Download. Select PNG if you want a crisp digital image, or PDF print if you're preparing something for printing, then click Download, and that's it. You now know how to layer images in Canva quickly and accurately. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next